Hi, I'm Cap,
Hello guys, I'm Nick. Hey.
and it's Captain Nick's Drive Drive. Okay, so today we have another topic of conversation here, discussion. Which is what led you to continue using after the first time, diba? So I'll go first. So anyway, so with alcohol and shabu, halos pareho lang. What led me to continue using after the first time ng alcohol was curiosity. Kasi nga, after the first time that
Like alcohol is the same with the downers. Diba you get din with the downers? Like yung mga like downers as well. It's like same with alcohol.
Pero since yun nga, so alcohol ako nagsimula, 'di ba? The first time I tried alcohol, sabi ko ang pangit ng lasa nito, 'di ba? I imagine I was only 11 years old, 'di ba? So yun. Pero nakikita ko yung mga mas matanda sa akin, they kept on drinking pa rin, 'di ba? Na parang sinasabi la acquired taste daw ganyan, 'di ba? I didn't really know what acquired taste was back then, but you know, I knew that that there was something else to it other than just acquired taste, di ba? So kumbaga parang pinagbigyan ko ng pinagbigyan, di ba? Sinubukan ko ng sinubukan hanggang sa eventually naranasan ko na pag umiinom kami parang sarap tumambay, parang sarap makipagkwentuhan, parang there's a feeling of enhanced relaxation, parang ganon, di ba? So, with shabu, first time I tried it, parang wala akong amats feeling ko. Kasi I was naturally energetic ng bata eh. So, I didn't really feel the sudden burst of energy. Hindi ko lang napansin, puta dakdak na pala ako ng dakdak, ganyan. Diba? Tapos, alam mo yan, ayoko paalisin yung kausap ko, diba? Kwentuhan lang kami ng kwentuhan, labot kami magdamag, kwentuhan, ganyan, di ba? So, ayun, so, siguro mga pang-4, pang-5, pang-7 beses ko tumira, yun, nararamdaman ko na yung amas talaga, na parang, doon na lang simula na, okay nga to, masarap nga to, doon ko na hinahanap siya. So, yun, I guess that's the reason why I continued on after the first time, which would definitely be curiosity. Here's Nick.
Hello guys. Like what led me to continue using after the first time? Like it's simple. Like I totally admit that that wala talaga akong wala akong kalaban-laban doon sa mundo na pinasok ko. Like alam mo yon, dahil lang syempre problemado ako, dahil lang gusto kong maging naging aminado ako na dahil sa pagiging mahina na nadala ako ng peer pressure and as in talagang dahil lang talaga aminado ako na kasalanan ko na dahil gusto ko lang din magkaroon ng gusto ko magkaroon ng kaibigan, gusto ko maging it's totally like peer pressure, like everything that has happened to me like before, kaya ako nag-continue na mag-use like after the first time. Yeah, I totally surrender. It's because like peer pressure. Thank you.
Alright, so that wraps up our topic of
Thank
discussion
you.
today, which is again is what led you to continue using after the first time. Okay? So, kayo, mga nagbabalak sumubok dyan, di ba? Isipin nyo lang na sa simula, it's not gonna be that appealing, pero eventually it will. So, if you can avoid it for the first time, avoid it already. Instead of
Don't be like a superhero.
instead of indulging into anything that's negative, indulge in God. Diba? Indulge in Jesus Christ. That's all I can say. One love and
Alright, thank you.
have a good day.